Quite often in math, you're going to be multiplying and dividing fractions. I'm going to start by showing you how to multiply fractions. Here we have 12 times 2/3. Now, before we actually do the numbers, I'd like to draw a picture to help diagram so you can visualize this problem. This multiplication symbol actually means groups of. So it helps to look at this. This problem isn't just 12 times 2/3, it's 12 groups of 2/3. So I'm going to draw that now. I need a total of 12, and I want them grouped into thirds. So I'm going to draw 12 circles up here. And you can see that I have them grouped into threes or thirds. Now, to find 2/3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle 2 out of every 3 circle. So there's 2 out of 3, there's 2 out of 3. And you can see I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So 12 times 2/3 equals 8. Now I want to show you the actual mathematical operation to work out the algorithm, it's called. Well, we're going to rewrite this 12 times 2/3. Now, I need 12 to look a little more like a fraction. It is a fraction, it's a whole number, right? The way we make this look more like a fraction with both the numerator and the denominator is simply by putting it over 1. So we're adding a denominator of 1. 12 over 1 is 12. So 12 over 1 times 2/3. Now, when we multiply fractions, it's not like adding and subtracting. You don't only add the numerator. Here we don't only multiply the numerator. We multiply straight across. We multiply first the numerators. 12 times 2 is 24. And then we multiply the denominators. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we're left with an improper fraction. In this case, it's important to change it into a mixed number. So we go, well, 24 divided by 3 is 8. So our answer is 8, which, if you'll remember, is the same answer we got when we drew the problem out. I'd like to show you one more example. If we have 8 times 3/5, again, we're going to add the denominator of 1. Now, remember before when we needed the common denominators when we're adding and subtracting? You don't need that here. It doesn't matter that they're different denominators. So, and the reason is we're multiplying straight across. So 8 times 3 is 24, and 1 times 5 is 5. So 24 divided by 5, it's not a whole number. We're still changing it to a mixed number, but it requires a little more thought involved. 5 goes into 24. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 times 5 is 25. It's going to be a number between 4 and 5. We can actually set this up as a division problem to find our answer. So 5 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20, with a remainder of 4. Remember, at this point, we don't use remainders anymore. We turn them into fractions. Our remainder becomes our numerator, and our denominator is our divisor. So 24/5 is equivalent to 4 and 4/5.